Hello everyone, how are you? It's Michael. Thank you for stopping back at my channel. Today I just want to share with you a quick and simple mini album that I made for someone here in this town. He is 21 and he has been learning English for the last, I'm going to say 5 or 6 years. I think I met him when he was 16 at an English school here in town. And I was really impressed with his English back then. And he has just gotten so much better. And he's always wanted to be a flight attendant. But because of the pandemic, those dreams have been put on hold for a while due to the airlines not really hiring a lot. But tomorrow he leaves to work on a cruise ship in Europe for the next 6 months or so. And I'm so happy for him. And I wanted to make him something so that he can have something to keep his memories in. So I made him a simple album, which anyone can make in 2 hours. Seriously, 2 hours to make this thing. The album tutorial I used is called the Beginner's Mini Album from Francis Long over at Your Book of Memories. I will have links below for everything that I used. It's a really simple album, and I've made a lot of albums, but sometimes it's nice to just go back and make a basic one. And if you're new to album making or want to get into it, this is like the perfect beginner mini album for you. So it's only about an inch and a quarter wide. It holds 24 to 25 photos with plenty of space to add additional photos. I made one minor change, which I'll show you when I get inside. The paper line I'm using is from Carta Bella. It's called Let's Cruise. I use the digital version. Snap Click Supply sells all of Echo Park and Carta Bella paper pads in digital versions and lots of other brand names. I will leave a link below that also. This was designed by Steve Duncan, who, if you do a search online for Steve Duncan paper collections, your mind will be blown with this guy's creativity. I have one other collection of his, and I'm going to do another travel album. But this one, because my friend is going on a cruise, I chose the Let's Cruise album, the Let's Cruise collection. Okay. Let me take you through the. If you want the actual physical paper, just do a search online for Let's Cruise Carta Bella paper collection. I know scrapbook.com has it. Ask your local scrapbook store if they can get it. Plenty of places have these in stock. So I started with one of the pages with the cruise line. The side is just one of the decorative pages, and the back is the anchors. It's a very masculine paper collection. Over here, and this is where I did one of the changes. So here, this flips up, and there's space inside here for, I made 2 photo mats. And in the original tutorial, Francis just has a pocket here, but I figured if he's gonna be on a cruise for 6 months, he's gonna have memorabilia and things to store in here. So I made a little accordion pocket here just to give him a little bit more room. Just closes down, and 2 more photo mats here that will keep this closed like this. So here it starts over here with a little, I'm calling it 4x6, but here in Brazil, and I believe in Europe, they use 10 centimeters by 15 centimeters, which is a little bit smaller than a 4x6, but there's room here so that if he is able to print on the ship 4x6 or 10 by 15, it will fit perfectly. So this is here and here. And of course, oh, here I had to use the, because he's Brazilian, so he's going from Brazil over to Europe. He can't wait to travel to the United States, so the map was perfect. I also changed this around a little bit. The album tutorial is based on 4x6 photos, but I wanted to give him some other options here for smaller photos. So he'll just have to cut them down. And none of these photo mats are glued down. There's just a small piece of double-sided tape here. He'll remove this and just glue his photo down. Or he can glue this down and glue the photo on top if he wants a white border, if he didn't do borderless. Flipping it over this way, 2 more photos here. This is a little envelope page here. So this is a closure. You open it up here, and there's a little photo mat in here also with some cruise lines. So there's space in here also, plenty of space for additional photos and memorabilia. Flipping over this way, 2 smaller photos. I think some of these are 4x4. These are, I think, 3.5 by 3.5. 2 more photos here. Again on this side. And then here on the back, I love this paper collection. So this is one of the papers of the pool. I just cut it in half and adhered it down. So there's 2 more photo mats in here for 4 photos. This is another amazing piece, one of the decorative papers from the collection. I printed this out on heavier weight cardstock also. I have another idea for this luggages. I just think it's so cool. So these will store in here. Again, plenty of room. Close this down. And look at this. Look at how cool is that? So I just love this. So that was it. He's leaving tomorrow. I've been sick with pneumonia. I'm feeling much better today. I'm hoping that I can get this off to him before he leaves. And that is it. So let me know what you think of this. Again, visit your Book of Memories. Go visit Carta Bella. Echo Park sells Carta Bella. Links for everything will be below. I'd love to know what you think of this. And hopefully when he returns from his trip, I will be able to take some photos of his album filled with photos of his memories and give you guys an update. Anyway, please like this video, leave a comment. It helps my algorithm. Subscribe to my channel. I have some cool stuff coming up, and I hope you guys have a great week. Bye.